So do you want me to look at you or do you want me to look at the camera? So when I see somebody, I usually find that they have problems removing environmental garbage. We call it detox for short. The liver is in charge of detoxification. That's its primary purpose. Usually when I'm trying to support the liver, I'll ask patients to go and get some milk thistle and dandelion. Then I'll have people take chlorella and spirulina. Both of those are blue-green algae that help people to remove garbage from their body. Then I'd want them on some extra concentrated nutrition like kale or other cruciferous vegetables. And core happens to have all these things in there, along with wheatgrass, which is a superfood, and aloe vera, which is an herb that helps to soothe the digestive tract. And then there's black cumin and cranberry seed, which have hundreds of studies which show extraordinary benefits for the body. Most people don't understand that the seed is actually the most concentrated part of the plant. The concern about the seed is that it has a hull or a husk around it. So if you can take that seed, grind it or pulverize it into flour, you now release all the healthy oils and all the healthy fiber, which then makes a product which, if you can harness that product is going to be as much as 25 to 30 times more concentrated. The research has shown us that about 70 to 75% of the immune system actually lives in the digestive tract. So when you nourish the digestive tract, you're also helping to nourish and support the immune system. Now, interestingly enough, if you're talking about nerve cells, half of the nerve cells live inside the head, inside of our skull, but half of the nerve cells also live in the digestive tract. And so when you're also nourishing the immune system, because you're nourishing the digestive tract, you're also nourishing the brain, the nervous system. It's thought that about 90% of the happy hormone or serotonin is made in the digestive tract. Well, if you nourish and cleanse the digestive tract, you may also get mood changes and mood improvements by doing that. I've never seen any product that has what this has. I've looked at a lot of products and they all have pieces, but none of them are as complete as core. I go and look at green drinks all over the place, and I'll take a green drink and compare it to one green drink to another green drink. I get the powders, I get the green drinks, but when I compare them across the board with core, I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anything as powerful in a 1 ounce packet.